If your body feels like a bouncy ball, you're probably dealing with hiccups. Hiccups are like your body's little prank. They happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, gets a bit twitchy. This twitching makes you suck in air suddenly, causing that funny ick sound. So how do you stop these annoying hiccups? First, try holding your breath for a few seconds. This can help reset your diaphragm. Or, drink a glass of water quickly. The swallowing motion can calm things down. Another trick is to breathe into a paper bag. It increases the carbon dioxide in your blood, which might stop the spasms. Got a spoonful of sugar handy? Letting it dissolve in your mouth can stimulate the vagus nerve and help your diaphragm relax. Remember, hiccups usually go away on their own, but these tips might just speed things up. So next time you hiccup, you'll be ready.